everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I teach you how to change wheels if you're not happy of them. Glued wheels with instant glue, and today we try to change. Why do I have to change? Because when I've built this one I bought these rims, but I wanted to maintain the original tire. The result is this, and this is what doesn't go. So I want real bead lock tires, because with these tires I couldn't mount these rings that makes the real bead locks. These rings fit with these tires, linked down below. I don't know if they are very good tires, first quality and so on. I choose them from the price, from the design, and because they fit on these rims. I would like to maintain these rims. The other solution is to change tires. The other solution is to change rims and put the original one, but I don't like the original one. They are very light. These are in metal, they are more heavy, and with this one is much more heavy, so the car is more stable on his wheels. What else? Comment, like and subscribe please, and let's go to the workshop. We have to undo the wheels from the car, to open and to try to take out the glue, the instant glue, and there's a way. We will check if it works. Look at it work. First of all, wheels off the car. In order not to lose the nut, I suggest you to put it again over here. I have to buy a better wrench, because this is not so good. This is the Traxxas one, and here I have a Kyosho one. It's very good because these braces are longer. And this is the Tamiya one. Traxxas copy exactly the Tamiya, except for this part is important. Kyosho has the best one. Okay, the car has no more wheels, and I use this to put the car over. I liked this a lot. It was a nice wheel, well, Traxxas original, but there's no way to stop this. It's good if you don't go in the water. As I want to go into the water in the river, I have to seal this perfectly. And with these tires and these wheels, the rims, is not possible. Now, open all this. This is a long and boring work. Here we are. Now we have the problem. I have glued with instant glue the tires on the rims. So now we have to find a way to unglue the tires from the rims. They told me that boiling tires, the glue comes away. Let's try to boil the wheels and see what does it happen. Boiling, hoping well. After 8 minutes I make a check. I can see that the glue is very hot, obviously. You see the glue is quite cooked. Now I have to refresh with cool water. and then try to see. Ah, it's full of hot water. Wow, wow, too hot. Okay. 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 Slowly and forcing it, but it can't. The glue is not so strong. I think that I leave them boiling other 8 minutes because it's not perfect. But it's a good way. This is a good start. Yes. Done. The work is done. The tires are out from the rims. If you see, the rims are quite dirty. They need to be cleaned, and this is not an easy work. And all the gummy you see here on the rims, it's not a great problem because the tires are still in very good condition, so it's just a surface sheet of plastic you see here perhaps, and so I can use tires again. They're quite dirty, but it's easy to take this excess of glue away. So I have my tires, I haven't had to cut them, I have my rims and my foams. All is wet, I need to dry, then I clean up the rims, then we put this plus this. Changed location, my favorite workshop. Well, this is the problem. We have all this dirt, gummy and glue over the rims, and look at this. I have to clean it up as well as I can, near perfection, otherwise the tires, this part of the tire doesn't match very well and doesn't remain closed. So this is a great work. It's not easy. Let's do it. And this is the way I have found, the only one. I tried a lot of things to take away, to clean up the wheels from the glue. How do you call this kind of glue? We call cianoacrilato. This sort of cyanoacrylic glue. It's very hard. Yes, making this work. Bye white color. So after this I think that I have to clean it up. I have to paint. Okay. And last touch. Nitro cleaner. No more glue, well cleaned, ready to be sprayed. And at the end of the work we have new rims. I'm very satisfied of this work. Inside they are not so shining, but outside better than before, if it's possible. Okay, now we have to mount one wheel just to check if air passes through and so water or not. First of all, we have to put the inner ring, and this is quite heavy. Well, 52 grams, 54 fall. It is 216 grams. 200 just adding this. This plus this plus this is 98, near 400 grams. That is good for lower center of gravity. So, first of all, we have to put this inside. Now we have to put this inside this, and you need some force or some smartness. Smartness is alcohol. Now it's slippery, but when alcohol evaporates, look at the how nice is it? Wonderful. And behind this we have to mount this. And now screws. Okay, the work is done. We have to do the other three. Then mount on the car. I do the work. We have a problem. And I'm not happy. Perhaps I can't use these rims or these tires. When I close the rim, the tire pops out here. This is not good. Perhaps there's too little space here, or these tires are not the right tires for these rims. But I'm a little pissed off. Really, I'm bored about these tires. I would like to maintain these rims. I like these rims very much. They remind me of the 70s pickups, US pickups, and off-road 4x4. I love them, but perhaps buying a set of the best one could be better. I think it over. Let's see what will comes out.